Hey guys, Dr. Berg here. In this video, we're going to talk about chia seeds. Amazing nutrients. Check this out. It has essential fatty acids very similar to flax seeds. And essential fatty acids are the component that helps build your cell, the membrane of the cell, the little tiny things inside the cell. They're called organelles that run the cell. It has more omega-3 than salmon. It has 5 times as much calcium, 5 times more calcium than milk. High fiber, vitamin B2, B1, B3, it's niacin. It has boron, which actually helps calcium make bone solid. It also has a certain type of fat called the polyunsaturated fatty acids, which basically ionizes calcium. So it allows calcium to go into the tissues deeper. And we'll talk about what that will do in a second. And then it has high protein. In one little tiny ounce, it has 4.9 grams. That's a lot of protein. So it's a really good source of nutrients. Now you can also make this in a pudding, a chia seed pudding. I'll put a recipe below. But I think the biggest benefit of chia is the essential fatty acids. So what I want to do is I want to talk about all the things that are affected when you have enough essential fatty acids and also when you're deficient, okay? So it affects your energy levels. So endurance. If you're actually working out, hardcore workout person, and you consume chia seed, you'll spike the essential fatty acids and you'll recover faster. Why? Because essential fatty acids allow the transportation of oxygen through the system. They allow the oxygen exchange in your lungs. They push the oxygen into the hemoglobin, into the blood, and basically help you recover faster. Help you stabilize blood sugars. The essential fatty acids help postmenopausal, so for estrogen issues. And also if you're deficient in essential fatty acids, your skin's going to be flaky, peely, rough. You know, you see people with like these flakes of skin coming out of their ear or their nose or their head. That's basically an essential fatty acid deficiency. So you can consume these or flax oil to get these to make your skin real smooth. Strong nails. If you're deficient in this fatty acid, you're going to get ridged nails. So we got hair, skin, nails. I've talked about this in other videos with B vitamin deficiencies, but the essential fatty acids work with the B vitamins, work with the trace minerals, all to make hair, skin, and nail really nice. If you're deficient in this fatty acid, you can get Charley horses. Why? Because we talked about the ionization of calcium. Calcium drives deep into the tissues, and if you're deficient in that, you can get cramping. Sunburn, why? Because you need calcium to protect from excess sun. You can literally take chia seeds to enhance your essential fatty acids to minimize sunburns, and also if you actually are sunburned, to recover from that, consuming essential fatty acids from this or flaxseed can actually help you recover faster. Also, it will help put herpes, which is a virus, back in remission, and also improves hypothyroid because these essential fatty acids potentiate iodine, okay, in the thyroid. So they really help from a lot of different angles. All right, so go ahead and check out the recipes down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Press it. Forget it, I'm done. Press the subscribe button and I will keep you updated on the future events.